All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Tesla Powerwall in your Model Y, Model X, okay, or Model S for a seamless energy management experience, guys, okay? So first things first, guys, step one is actually you need to install the Powerwall. Okay, before we dive into the setup, make sure that your Tesla Powerwall is installed. If you haven't done this already, you'll need a licensed professional for the installation, guys, okay? All right. Now, next, you want to download the Tesla app. If you haven't already downloaded the Tesla app from your App Store or Google Play, this app is your go-to for managing your Powerwall settings. Guys, it's an amazing app. You can literally control your Tesla through an app on your phone, okay? All right. Step three, guys, you want to connect Powerwall to your Tesla account, okay? This is how you do it. Open the Tesla app. Okay, open the Tesla app and log in with your Tesla account, okay? So if your Powerwall is installed correctly, it should actually appear in your app's home screen, okay? Then you actually want to just configure the settings, guys, okay? Just tap on the Powerwall icon in the app to access the settings. Here, okay, here you can customize your preferences for energy usage, backup settings and charging schedules. And of course, guys, you'll need to also monitor energy usage. So in the app, you'll see real-time data on your energy production and consumption. This actually helps you understand how much energy your Powerwall is saving and how it's actually being used, okay? So another optional thing, guys, you can do is set up notifications, okay? To stay informed about your Powerwall status, you can set up notifications in the app, okay? This will help you receive alerts for any issues or updates on your energy usage, guys. And that's it, guys. You can now enjoy your energy independence, guys. So, guys, that's it for the video. So go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check that link in the description to upgrade your ride even further.